Here we come to the elevator at Pleasant Valley Shopping Center in Raleigh, North Carolina.
I have another elevator here, but it's broken.
Yeah, it's a freight elevator, which I just saw not long ago. But anyways, it's a Dover Impulse. Lantern's been replaced by ThyssenKrupp. Look at this interesting CLP. The fan is loud enough I can't hear the motor. Lantern has obviously been replaced by ThyssenKrupp. Installed in 1988. Here's your phone. Look at this right here before we leave. Oh, this one is an older Dover Impulse. I think this is the only. Oh, the door control buttons are the older contacts, while the floor buttons are the newer micro switch. See, interesting. It's got like up and down. Excuse me. They could have put it in like a 1, and this could be 2 instead of 1 and G. This is an interesting design right here. Never have I seen that on a Dover Impulse before. A lot of times in the older generation. Anyways, I think I might go for a one-wheel ride. Gosh, I am sweaty. There is a freight elevator here, but that is completely down. The freight elevator is entirely bolted shut. Newer Impulse. All right, let's go back down. Look who's that.
Hello, hello. That's a nice case.
That was one interesting Dover Impulse. That'll be it. Thanks for watching.